name is Bevikali Ayemi, and I am the program coordinator of Kartys Digital Academy. And we are proud to be the first edtech company from Nagaland itself.
We are excited to bring you a collaborative event with live organization, the Coding Plus AI Summer Bootcamp, happening for the very first time here in Dimapur. It's a 10-day hands-on learning camp where kids will learn to code, build apps, and explore artificial intelligence in a very fun and interactive way. The bootcamp is focused on STEM education, that is science, technology, engineering, and math. It helps kids gain skills that will really matter in the future. They'll improve their problem solving, creativity, and confidence with technology, not just using apps, but actually understanding how things work. Achelu summer vacation jase aro gorombi ase bacha bishi khan room de bohena games khan khili take noilui vacation khan de jase, but we want to make this summer vacation a very productive summer. Tahan phone de bohena games khan khila to mohan we want to change their screen time into skills time. Kids today are already growing up surrounded by technology. Even before they can fully read or write, they are using phones, tablets, and smart devices. So instead of just consuming technology, it's important that they start understanding how it actually works. When they learn coding and AI at a young age, it trains their brain to think logically, solve problems, and be creative. It's not about turning them into software engineers right away. It's about building digital confidence and helping them believe that they can create and not just consume. Coding teaches them how to think logically and solve problems. AI is the future. It's already part of our lives, whether it's Google, Alexa, or even the filters they use on Instagram. By learning this early, kids become more prepared for future and they'll have more options in later in life, whether it's jobs, entrepreneurship, or just being tech savvy in a digital world. This bootcamp gives them a chance to explore coding and AI in a way that's fun and easy to understand. It boosts their creativity and confidence, especially when they realize that they can actually build their own apps or games. For kids in Dimapur, it's a rare and valuable opportunity to learn skills that can really shape their future, and it's all done in a fun and encouraging environment.
Our kumba parents itawe register kurle mon ase koile to mohan on the spot registration bi kurese aro apni khan description ne mohan la registration form la link bi thakibo tate wa register kurle paribo aro on spot registration karne ahibole mon ase gole to mohan Nepali bosti te Nagaland Post la office purana wala te kurese to apni khan najane koli mohan description ne mohan location do description ne likhna taiyo to everyone is welcome to register, and then second batch is going to start from July 18th. Right now we're going on with first batch, so yeah, everybody is welcome.